So
that was fun.
now Floats, you went from 0 employees to 1,000 employees. And then what happened? Why did you go towards space? क्या यहाँ धरती पे कम है?
See, we got acquired by Reliance, right? It was super.
You got acquired by
Now
Reliance.
Floats got
Yeah,
acquired
I
by
got
Reliance.
acquired by Reliance in
Okay.
2019.
Okay.
That's
In
when
2019.
2019, yeah.
Just before COVID.
Just
Got lucky?
exactly. Oh, talk about that. So COVID time was super hard, right? Like you have everybody sitting in the home.
तो हुआ क्या मतलब सी जब कोई स्टार्टअप फाउंडर बोलता है आई गॉट एक्वायर्ड तो मैं तो खुश होता हूँ पैसा भाई दबा के मिला है इसको तो फिर क्यों तकलीफ किस बात की तकलीफ आ गई
See, इंडिया में सॉफ्टवेयर बेचने के लिए इट्स अ मिथ दैट लोग अपने से सॉफ्टवेयर खरीदते कोई नहीं खरीदता सॉफ्टवेयर इंडिया में यहाँ पे द ओनली वे टू मेक मनी इज हैविंग सेल्स गाइस हैविंग अ सेल्स असिस्टेंट राइट यू हैव टू मीट योर कस्टमर इन पर्सन
That's true.
right Reliance sort of came in and said कि hey and in fact Manoj Modi right and he says आप सॉफ्टवेयर बनाओ हम बेच देंगे that's like music to ears कि ऐसे बोला कि
सबसे बड़े बेचने वाले ये तो
and they don't talk below 5,000 6,000 crores right like they talk okay how do we take it to like 10 million customers 10 million MSMEs right the paid customers not they don't believe in free वो as a business hack and marketing कर सकते हैं लेकिन core में they're very revenue focused right and okay how do you bring down your costs of running the website which is something from 50 rupees per month था cost of running it how do you bring it down to 1 rupee and they were very challenging from that point of view and like this
Scale is the challenge that you would not have
ever
witnessed or thought
witnessed
about.
yeah so when those kind of meeting happen I'm like यही बंदा है business so yeah Reliance was really that way a great savior कि मतलब we got exposure to what real scale means right otherwise I had no clue and that level of scale and their understanding of India is impeccable right
They understand merchants, they understand users.
yes and the top guys Mr. Ambani Mr. Manoj Modi their understanding of Indian consumer Indian merchant is impeccable वो बंदा उसको एकदम वो हिंदी में बात करता बंदा है ना लाइक मीटिंग में बंदा सिंग दाना खाएगा एंड हिंदी में बात करते वेरी 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 ग्राउंडेड ऑफ कोर्स दैट शार्प लाइक crazy and then they know exactly किस business में कितना margin है कितना what percentage of cost everything there is on top of his head right
they are clear
they yeah and super लोग रात के 2 बजे तक काम करते हैं लोग राइट रात के लाइक मिस्टर अम्बानी ही वुड बी अप उनका रिप्लाई आता रहेगा रात के 2-3 बजे तक मुकेश अंबानी इज अ बहुत in fact our business plan went to him he had some crazy comments on our business plan my prejudice was okay he won't understand a SaaS business but then business is business they know how to understand every business so yeah so those things were crazy right and yeah we were like fanboy moments of doing that this is a good deal they gave a price we liked the price
बने रहिए हमारे साथ कंप्लीट पॉडकास्ट के लिए